Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is February the 3rd. I'll be walking you through penny stock, which I believe will have good potential for this year and the years to come. It's in the cannabis industry. Ticker symbol is SNDL, Sundial Growers, currently at $1.29. And it's up for the day by about 23.93%. The market just opened a while back. So for the week, they're up 34.87%. For the month, they're up 166%. 3 month, they're up 577.7%. And for the year, they're down by about 0.09%. So let's talk a little bit about the company and what's been happening and where I expect the company to be at in a few months or years, and what are my future plans in holding this company. So currently I don't have a position, but I'm hoping to hold a position soon. But I'll walk you through the stats. You can see the volume is insane, currently at 469 million. I think the day before yesterday, it was almost like 900 million, almost a billion. So it's pretty good volume if you ask me. 52-week high of 1.70. And then we have the market cap at 949 million. So let's look at one of the news articles they have. Sundial Growers shares dropped 12% after closing registering offering. So let's click on that. Sundial Growers Inc. shares were down 12% to $1.07 Tuesday after the company said it closed the best efforts underwritten registered offering of 100 million Series A units, each consisting of one common stock share and one half Series A warrant. Each whole Series A warrant entitles the holder to purchase one common share and 33.3 million Series B units. Each Series A unit was sold for 75 cents a unit, and each Series B unit was sold at 75 cents a unit. The warrants are immediately exercisable and have a term of 5 years. Starting on the date of issuance, only whole warrants are exercisable. The exercise price of the Series A warrant is 80 cents a common share. Sundial said proceeds from the offering were 100 mil. Following the closing of the offering, Sundial will have unrestricted cash of 615 million, in addition to marketable securities and loan receivable of 57 million and 1.52 billion common shares outstanding. Volume of the stock was 767 million shares at 1:20 p.m. Eastern, compared with 65-day average of 405 shares. So I think that's the biggest thing that happened recently, so that you could see a drop in price, and then once things cool off, it started going up. Like you can see today, we're up 22%. So let's talk a little bit about the history. So I started checking this company out on December 1st last year. I did a call option. I read through the company, saw that the industry was going to benefit, with the new president, and I think decriminalizing marijuana. I believe that was going to happen, and maybe it will happen. So everybody is kind of banking on that. And with most states taking up marijuana and medical cannabis, you can see why I would be thinking like that. So you can see I tried to get a call option, which didn't go through, but I still want to do a call option or probably buy some shares. And let's talk a little bit about the company. So Sundial Growers engages in the production and distribution of flower, pre-rolls, and vapes. It operates through the following segments: cannabis, ornamental flowers, and corporate. The cannabis segment includes legal cultivation and distribution of cannabis products under federally regulated licenses issued by Health Canada. The ornamental flower segment covers the legacy operations of Bridge Farm. The corporate segment represents corporate activities and items not allocated to reportable operating segments. The company was founded by Stanley J. Swastek and is headquartered in Calgary, Canada. Listed name for SNDL is Sundial Growers, common common shares. So you can see they have about 1,064 employees. And a quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Penny stocks are very volatile, so be very careful. Do your own due diligence. Consult with a professional while investing in the stock market. And also, I want to tell you that right now the penny stocks are hot. So when looking for companies to invest in, try and look for companies with a really high volume, so that if you want to buy in and get out real quick, you can, because there's equal measure of people trading, and the activity is a lot. So compared to when you have a company which doesn't have a lot of volume, you can want to sell and there's nobody planning to buy on your end. So that's one thing I like about companies that have a crazy volume. So a good site you can always use for this analysis is finviz.com. So if you can go to finviz.com, you can filter and say I want a stock under this price, and check out the volume, see the change for the day. And that's always what I use for the most part when analyzing some stock, before going to the technical analysis, and then also reading if there's any news behind it, and then kind of checking the the balance sheet and income statement, and making sure that whatever I'm investing in, I kind of believe in. So quick reminder, right now we're growing the channel real fast. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to know of some buzzing stocks that you need to put in your radar, like SNDL. And I'll make a follow-up video once I purchase my position, and then I will talk a little bit about it. Thank you so much for reaching this far. Be green, be safe. See you on the next one. Bye.